So hey guys, welcome back to my channel JN2 Explainer. See, this is gonna be the one of the most important video for all of you, because in this video I'll be doing a walkthrough to how to keep the web options. And before starting the video, I want to thank one of my close friend for giving the access of his account to make a video. And so before wasting any time, let's start the video. See, this is the portal, or this is a page that gonna be in the first phase to you, so that you can log in through here to your to for keeping the web options. So by clicking here in the latest updates, click here for the TG PGECET 2026 admissions. You should log into your page, and in the login credentials it asks for your hall ticket number, your mobile number, your password, your rank, and your category. See, after logging in, it asks for your mobile number and as well as the OTP also. So it will take you here somewhere. And after you log in here, don't start really keeping the web options. Try to understand what's showing on the screen. So your preferred optional list priority wise here, and the priority, I mean the numbers, then you can select here. And here you will be having in the third column college codes, then the college names and course names. So don't get confused in these three cases, because sometimes the college code can be different from the college names and the course names too. And then here is the education type, and here is the college name, then fee type and place. See, education type means it a co-ed or a completely boys based or women's based. And then college type, see, affiliated college or university or a private or deemed. And here is the fee type. See, in fee type you will be having two types, which is regular and self finance. And place is the college where it's located. For example, now if I start add options, see, you will be having all the colleges for which paper you have attempted. Then here I am having total 161, and I can entry of maximum 161. Then if you want directly to keep the web options, like you prepared a list, then you can search the colleges here is preferences wise, and then you can directly keep the web options. For example, if I have to start keeping from college number 1, that means option number 1. See, I have to select here, and this will be my preference. And if I selected this, then it will come under my preference number 1, which is Abdul Kalam Institute of Technological Sciences, Vepalagada, Sujata Nagar, and its pin code is 507120. And the preference I have selected is for the course CSC, that is Computer Science and Engineering. And this has a education type of co-ed. That means that college is co-education, that supports co-education, and its college type is affiliated to one of the university, and it's a regular fee type. That means you are eligible for fee reimbursement in this college, and this is located in Bhadradi, Kottagudem. Now coming to second one, that is Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, which is an autonomous institute, which is Piglipur, Blasisingaram, Hayatnagar, and its pin code is 501512. In the same way, the entire colleges list will be showed here, where you can select according to your preference. See, don't start selecting from the college number 1. They are not in preference, they are in alphabetical order. So please remember that these colleges are in alphabetical order, not in priority order. Most of the guys think that they are in preference order, that it's starting from top colleges, and they start selecting from college number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what they end up is getting in the least colleges. Because see, this is not the thing that we need to keep, right? I am not here to go and study somewhere in Bhadradi, Kottagudem, because I stay in Hyderabad, and my priority or preference list has something different. So for example, I will deselect this, and then if I want to keep, I can search from Jawaharlal Nehru. Then JNTUH College of Engineering, Sultanpur. This is one of the branch of JNTUH that is situated in Sultanpur. And then Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and this is also a code education system. And then this college is a university, right? See, we all know JNTUH is a university, so it's university showing here, and all the colleges that are affiliated to JNTUH will be showing as AFF. And then its fee structure is self-finance. The entire Sultanpur campus is self-finance one, so you should, if you want to enter, then keep in your mind that it's self-finance. You need to pay money through your cash, through your hand, then you can enter. Now see, if I have to go for some of the colleges, BVRIT. See, BVRIT is also a co-ed education system, and it's also affiliated to one of the university, and then it is situated in M.Tech. So if your rank is around 1000, create a list, follow the list, because you all know that is a like real safe rank to get into any of the college. And these are the branches that I can keep web options for in my entire 161 colleges or options. So see, you if you scroll through, see, you'll go till VNR Vijnana Jyoti, and here again it's co-ed, and they all are affiliated to one of the university. For example, I will add some 5 colleges. I want to add BVRIT, Computer Science and Engineering. Then I want to add Chaitanya Bharati in AIML. Then I want to go, see, I will not choose CMR anytime in my life. Then coming to CVR, and then I will go for Gokraju Rangaraju GRR. See, why I said that it's important to select college codes rather than college name. See, GRIET is the college name of Gokraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, but its college code is GRR in TG PGECET. So see these things so wisely that you shouldn't be doing any mistake. And then at the end, I want to select a college which is VNR Vijnana Jyoti in Computer Science and Engineering. And then here I will be having only the checked options. For every 5 to 6 options, you can go and you can check that what are the options that you have selected. And then if you want to uncheck, then again you can go and unclear. See, again my all the options will come back to 0 because I am using my friend's account. That's the reason I will not be checking anything, because I know that what I think and what I prefer is different from what he thinks. So I will leave that entire thing for him. And after that, if you add to priority, that colleges will be added to your list, and you can also deselect that afterwards. But see, don't do that mistakes like going for all random colleges and sending that to priority. Prepare a list, go for around 50 to 60 options, and after every 5 to 6 colleges, save them, and you should be so able to like select a college that you should definitely get that. For example, if your rank is in 6000 to 10,000 range gap, I think you should select around 100 to 120, because see, you have hard work for that rank. You will not let that rank to go in vain, right? So get a college, study hard, and get a job, so that when you come out of the college, you are a person who holds a job and who will be going to earn its own money, right? See, I'll be closing the option down. And now if I go back, see, here I will be having some options. See, the remove the selected one. If I have selected something, if I press this button, then the selected option will be removed, and here are save and continue. If I have created the entire list, I have chosen the entire list, then the next option for me is to save and continue. After I save and continue, the options that you have been selected from the last from the time you open this portal will be saved, and whenever you come back, the same options will be already checked in, so you can choose other colleges. And in the same way, after you complete, when you submit the options at that before the deadline, then your entire list will be automatically submitted, and again on 22nd July you will be able to edit the options that you already saved. So before the 21st July, create a nice list that you don't need to again open on 22nd July and you need to edit the options. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any other doubt, comment in the comment section. I tried my best to explain, and I hope that you understood the video.